up naked charts and just share your opinions and expect people to pay thousands of dollars for your courses? I didn't understand that. I follow you, put up naked charts and just share your opinions and expect people to pay. Hey, well, if people want my courses and my education, they're going to pay for it. Simple as that, D. And the thing is that when you're saying you look at naked charts, do you realize, D. Mitch, that the naked chart itself is the most important thing about trading? That tells me that you still have this theory that, oh, well, I need to have all this shit on my charts to read this chart properly. I need to have all these indicators on this chart to tell me that how to read this chart. I need to have all this crap on the charts. I need to have all the trend lines. I need to have all this sort of stuff to be able to read the market properly. Your belief in that is that you think you need to have all that stuff in the market to be able to read the market properly, which is absolutely totally false. In fact, all that other stuff is going to confuse you even more. The truth are in the charts, not in the indicators. The indicators can be a confirmation tool, but yeah. And the thing is, Mitch, is you don't realize I put out so much education and I teach you how to read the market properly. It's not a matter of just putting up a naked chart and it's like, oh, well, then I'm going to give you this secret indicator. That's total BS. No, there is no indicator out there. The chart itself is the most important thing. The chart is the truth. Nothing else out there. I hope you can understand that.